Hi guys, my name is Rishi and you guys are watching AutoTech review. So today I've got something special for you guys. This is the brand new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC300 with the exclusive package. This SUV doesn't just drive you from A to B, it makes every drive feels first class. Up front, you have got that bold Mercedes grille, sleek LED headlights and sharp body lines that screams modern luxury. Under the hood, a refined turbocharged engine that delivers both power and efficiency, perfect for the city commute and the long highway runs. Step inside and it's pure comfort. Premium materials, advanced tech and the Mercedes signature attention to detail. You will see why this isn't just another SUV, it's a lifestyle statement. Stick with me because in this review we will go through the looks, the performance, the interior features and of course whether this SUV is worth your money in 2026. So let's get started. But before we start the review, I want to give a huge shout out to Pankaj at Mercedes-Benz Brampton who helped me get my hands on this new 2026 GLC300 to do a review for you guys. If you are in the market looking for a Mercedes, do check them out. They have great inventory. Now let's start the review. So first of all, let me tell you about the engine specifications. So this 2026 GLC300 is paired with a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, which is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid technology. This powertrain setup is consistent for the Mercedes' latest approach for the GLC300 models. If you talk about the power output, it can produce about 255 horsepower and about 295 Nm of torque. Let me tell you about the acceleration now. It can go from 0 to 60 in roughly about 5.9 seconds. Okay, so now let's go to the back and see the boot space that you are getting in this new 2026 GLC300. Okay, so let me tell you about the cargo space that you are getting in this new 2026 GLC300. With the rear seats up, you are getting about 620 liters of cargo space, which is a big enough space if you are using the SUV for the daily driving. For example, if you are going for a grocery run or you are going for a weekend getaway and you have a lot of stuff, you can carry everything in there without folding those rear seats. But if you still want more stuff to fit in, you can easily fold those rear seats down. You have the option here. You can just pull these buttons and the rear seats will go down. With the rear seats down, you are getting about 1600 liters of cargo space, which is a big enough space. Now you can carry almost anything in there. If you have your sports gear or you have those big furniture boxes, you don't have to worry about that. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC300 rolls out on the 235 60R 18 inches alloy wheels with the all-season tires, giving it a solid blend of ride, comfort and everyday usability. Now let's take a look at the design of this new 2026 GLC300. The first thing you notice up front on the 2026 Mercedes GLC300 is that the signature Mercedes grille, which is wide, bold and centered with the big 3-pointed star. The sharp LED headlamps wraps around the edges, giving it a futuristic and aggressive stance. The sculpted hood lines add depth and makes the SUV look muscular without overdoing it. Down low, the bumper is clean yet sporty with the subtle chrome essence and the air inlets that gives it a premium but athletic look. Now moving to the back, Mercedes has kept it elegant but modern. The slim LED tail lights stretches across the rear with a crisp light signature that looks stunning at night. The rear bumper is integrated neatly with the chrome touches and the twin exhaust outlet for a sporty finish. The tailgates have smooth curves that balances out the aggressive front, giving the SUV a complete luxury feel from every angle. Okay, so after giving you all that information, let me tell you how much you have to pay to get this SUV in your driveway. In US, the base model, which is GLC300 rear wheel drive, starts at around 51,000 US dollars, while the all-wheel drive 4MATIC variants tip somewhere around 53,000 USD. Here in Canada, the all-wheel drive GLC300 4MATIC starts at around 66,300 to 66,400 Canadian dollars. Okay, so now the best part, let's get inside this new 2026 GLC300 and get the feel of that luxury. Okay, so now I'm inside this new 2026 GLC300. Let's go ahead and see the features that you are getting in there. So first of all, if we talk about the steering wheel, Mercedes has given the 2026 GLC300 a sporty 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel, which is wrapped in a premium leather. It feels smooth, solid and very precise when you are driving. On both sides, you have got the touch sensitive controls. The left side of your steering wheel has the digital driver display controls, and the right side has the infotainment screen controls. This means that you can swipe, tap or adjust the settings without even taking your hands off the steering wheel. You are also getting heated steering wheel in most streams, which is a big plus for the Canadian winters. You have the option to electronically adjust the steering wheel to make it go lower, up, and you can adjust it according to your driving position. Right behind the steering wheel, you have got a 12.3-inch digital instrumental cluster. It's fully customizable, letting you switch between the classic digital sports layout or even full screen navigation map. I'll show you. This is the full screen navigation map, and if you go to the left, you have your sports screen here. The resolution is crystal clear and it really elevates the driving experience. In the center, Mercedes has fitted an 11.9-inch portrait style touchscreen that's slightly tilted towards the driver, so it feels natural to use. This runs the latest MBUX system with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation and the voice assistant features. Just say, "Hey Mercedes,"
How can I help?
and it will respond.
Could you repeat that, please?
The interface is smooth and intuitive with touch, swipe and even haptic feedback. You can control climate, media and driving assistance features all from this one screen. So behind the screen you have this storage option here. If you push this, you'll see you have two cup holders here. You have some storage on the side and you have a wireless charging pad underneath with the two USB-C ports, as you can see, with two USB-C ports and the wireless charging pad there. You can also put this is the key. This is the key for the new 2026 Mercedes-Benz. To close it, you just have to push this once and it will close itself. Behind that, you have your armrest here. You have the push button to open it. You have this push button to open it. Underneath you have some storage here and your USB-C port down there. Underneath you have some storage and your USB-C port down there. To close it, you just have to close it like that. Over there you have your glove box. As you can see, you have your ambient lighting going all around this SUV, which also adds on to the luxurious experience. Okay, so now I'm in the rear seats of this new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC300. First of all, let's go ahead and see the space that you are getting in this SUV. As you know, this is a compact SUV. If you consider that, you have a great amount of legroom here and a great amount of headroom as well. The front seat is currently not all the way to the back, set for my driving position, which is in the middle, but still you have a lot of legroom here. If you talk about the storage options, you are not getting out of the box, but you have the basic storage options. First of all, you have your two bottle holders here, one for the big and one for the small, and then you have these two pockets here behind the seats where you can put your files and stuff. And then you have a little storage option here. You technically can't keep anything here according to me. And then you have this phone holder here with two cup holders inside this armrest. So these are the storage options that you are getting in the GLC300 for the rear seats. Let me tell you about the features. First of all, you have two AC vents here with the ambient lighting all around the car. As you can see, it gives it a luxurious feel. You have this armrest here with the grabbing handle and the reading lights. You also have your coat holder here. So the one change that they have done from the previous version to this new 2026 version is that on the add-ons, in the newer version, 2026 version, you are getting the Burmester speakers standard in this GLC, and you have to pay extra as an add-on for the panoramic sunroof for the exclusive package. But in the previous version, in the 2025 version, you were getting the panoramic sunroof as a standard, and you have to pay extra as an add-on for the Burmester speakers. Which is alright. So that's it for this review. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you are in the market looking for a Mercedes Do check Mercedes-Benz Brampton out. They have great inventory. They have almost everything that you need and all the new stuff that is coming. I am going to put their link in the description. I am also going to mention the name of the salesperson, Pankaj, in this video, and also his number. So you can contact him directly and ask him all the questions that you have. Goodbye for now. I'll see you in the next review.